NVIDIA, AMD, both looking at exactly the same setup. I'm looking for that pullback into this. It's all about that gap this morning. Man, NVIDIA's setting up nice out the gate. I mean, just zero chance to get in this at all. Not on NVIDIA. Anyway, not yet. I gotta let that pull back. There we go. Come on down here. There it is, right there. Order filled. I'm paying myself on NVIDIA now. Yeah. Come on, NVIDIA, get up there. 85. First target, 85. Almost there. Order filled. Just gonna pay myself there, man. I'm up pretty good there. Almost $1 on those things. Next target is 48. I'm gonna put a profit stop in on NVIDIA. Take myself out of the one strike. I've already paid myself the 285. I did it at 284. I did a little early. I'm not paying myself again until we get up to the 288 area. Profit stop got hit on NVIDIA. That little pullback there, that's what I was looking for. I'm okay with that.